call y'all in the morning and see how you are looking? Yeah. No, I'm thinking maybe tomorrow. Are you? Okay. Well then I'll call you about midweek next week then. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Hey.
What did he say when you said, I've got vehicles in
He's like, whatever. Can I get your vehicle in?